this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. But today's video is WIP Caddy Wednesday. That means we are showing off our works in progress. And not just me, but you guys too. Well, grab you a cup of coffee, grab you something to drink, something to eat, sit back and relax, and let's just enjoy some good old crochet WIP Caddy Wednesday. I am drinking out of a new Yeti cup that I received from my husband. Thank you, Hugh. Thank you so much for this. And I'm just loving this. It keeps my coffee nice and warm, and it's just right for little hands. Anyway, but yeah, I'm just drinking, I believe this, I'm drinking hazelnut at the moment. And it's just from a pod. Let's see. Okay, what do I have to show you guys? I'm so excited. Oh, and I forgot to mention that I was checking my subscriber count, and I am almost at 36. I just reached 35. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I guess I'll start with this project that I did finish, and it should be going out this week. But this is, I named this after Charlie. I'm probably going to have a line of clothing for Charlie, dog clothes, and after my little granddaughter. So this is Charlie's Monster Mash outfit. There we go. And she's a year and a half, and so I thought that I want to make a few little items, little outfits that are kind of crazy in design for her, because, you know, she's only a year and a half, and so I thought that these kind of little hats and things like this might get her attention. Anyway, so I've got a line of clothing in my head that I want to name after her. So that is Charlie's Monster Mash. So be sure and look for that pattern. It will come out hopefully this week. Let's see what else. Oh, I do have another finished out thing, guys. The tutorial on this is done. I've just got to send this to my testers, I guess. But this is a scarf. I haven't named it yet, but I've got something in mind, but I haven't quite given it its name yet. But this is the newest scarf. So be sure and look for this. This will have a tutorial with it on YouTube, as well as a pattern on Etsy. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I am loving this. It is just beautiful. So be sure and look for that. And the yarn, well, the hook, let's see. Yeah, this is a hook. Well, hold on. I thought I used a 5mm crochet hook. Let me find it over here. And, well, I'm pretty sure I used a 5.0mm crochet hook. These are just medium full weight yarns. And I believe this might be Premier, and these are big twist. So if you're planning on making this, you can actually make it in any yarn size you want. That's up to you. And just use the recommended hook size. That's up to you. I just did this in a medium full weight. And those were the colors that I picked. You can barely see the rose in it. But there it is. Those were the 3 colors that I picked. So the next thing that I'm not finished with is Oliver's blanket. This is what it's a corner to corner. It's what I've gotten done so far. Talking about corner to corner, I need to show you a picture of my sister Tanya. She made one, designed it, and I'm going to put the pattern to that up in my Etsy shop for you guys. So right here, it's just beautiful. Oh my gosh, she is so talented. I mean, I just taught her how to crochet not even 2 years ago, probably just about 2 years ago. And she's already starting to design. Pretty good, Tanya. Proud of you. So anyway, so this one is the one I'm working on, and it is just medium full weight yarn, and I believe this is, well, it's all big twist. All big twist yarn. The color on this one is called light green if you're interested in that color. And I get this yarn at Joann's. And I'm using a 5.5mm crochet hook. But I will have a tutorial on that as well. All right, what else? Oh, my stitch of the week. This is beautiful. It's called the Rocky Road stitch. Oh my gosh. It is just beautiful. Looky. And it's the same on both sides. Isn't that just amazing? Look at that. It is easy, guys. This is an easy stitch. Doesn't it look complicated though? Doesn't it look like it takes a lot of work? It's fast and it's easy. I just love it. It's called the Rocky Road stitch. I'll leave the link in the description box below for you guys. So y'all can make this stitch. You can make anything out of it. Scarves and hats and blankets or whatever. It's going to be beautiful. I love it. I just wanted to show you guys. I happened to come across this. When I'm coming up with ideas, sometimes I will sit around and just draw things. And I'll cut pictures out of magazines and things like that for inspiration and stuff. And so this is a little clipboard that I kind of keep some of this stuff on. But here's like the drawing of Charlie May's Monster Mash. Now you see that there weren't any lime green stripes in it at the time, but I've added that. So everything that I do, you know, sometimes I'll add or take away, but I do kind of draw and color out my basic. And like I've made, let's see, and I put check marks by these. I've made this was my watermelon outfit. And this was my chevron dress. This one down here, I just don't know if I've made that one yet. I don't have a check mark on it, so I probably haven't. That's my sailor dress. So yeah, I just kind of colored these things out and seeing I get things from the American Girl magazine. I subscribe to that. It's a free magazine that comes in. And I'll cut out pictures and things like that for ideas. And then here's this one that I did. And I got a check mark. I end up making that one for Valentine's. I haven't made the other two yet. And on the second row, I made number 4 and number 5. And then this one. So I've made that one and that one and that one. Now I did make this into a cheerleader outfit. So I don't know why I don't have a check mark on that one. But anyway, so I kind of draw out my things and cut pictures and stuff from magazines. And here's this one. And I've made my star one. And that was the little unicorn. I've made that. So anyway, that's kind of what I do. Oh yeah, and you guys remember, there's my line outfit when I did the Wizard of Oz characters. There's my little watermelon outfit. Anyway, so that's kind of what I do. Is I draw my things out and then I just work off that. I get my ideas and then I print pictures and cut pictures out and save them and kind of draw inspiration off those as well. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you guys is I received my package from Annie's for this month. Now this is a sponsored Annie's product, but I love Annie's. But this one came in a plain bag. I'm not used to that. They're always a decorative bag like this right here. So I'm not sure what happened to this bag, but anyway, and the yarn is just loosely inside, which I'm okay with that. I mean, when you order yarn from any company, it's gonna be that way, but I'm just so used to it being packaged up, I guess. And then here is the pattern itself. And so this is to make these driftwood baskets. And there they are. This pattern is usually always crochet and knit because it's called the Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club. And I really enjoy this club. And here are the yarns. Ah, they're beautiful. I love them. My sister Tanya would love these. Very nice. They just about always use Premier Anti-Peeling Everyday Worsted yarn. Oh my gosh, guys, this is soft. I would love to have a nice scarf in this. Wow, it's beautiful. It's just soft and beautiful. And it's 153 yards, a medium full weight yarn. And then this one is Premier Anti-Peeling Everyday Worsted. And it's 153 yards, medium full weight. Let's see, the color on this is biscotti. And the color on this one is driftwood. So biscotti and driftwood. And then these are a little bit smaller. They're 90 yards, medium full weight yarn. And they're 100% anti-peeling acrylic as well. Very nice, and Donahue are the colors on those two right there. So very nice. So thank you, Annie's, for that. I look forward to making those baskets. They're beautiful. All right, guys, let's go ahead and see what you guys have been up to. Okay, here we have Amy's. This is the project that she's working on right now. She says that this is a tulip blanket by Cheryl Bennett using ILTY Editon Ridge. Top is the pumpkin pillow by Winding Road Crochet using Big Twist Rust. And the left is Betsy Romper by Babes in the Wool using Queens and Coastal Fine Cotton and Golden Rod. And the right is the Baby Romper Alice by Frisian Knitting using Yarn Bee Bamboo Tiffle in Plum. I hope I pronounced all that right. Anyway, Amy, those are beautiful, and those are going to look good or so cute on those little twins. Okay, now we have Doreen's, and ooh, I like that. She is taking a short break from her Red Heart Super Saver ombre blanket, getting closer to being finished though. The corner to corner in the Red Heart Super Saver ombre in the color Jazzy is coming along, and it will be for a baby girl somewhere. The corner to corner squares are her playing around with the Red Heart Super Saver Bitty Stripes yarn that she recently bought, and there are several colors in this colorway. Crayon box, she said, I think it has the most of the color of a small box of crayons. Hopefully the beige will set them off nicely. The purple heart she did with one of her friends on here, and she said we had fun doing a heart and texting about our progress with them. Friends are such a wonderful blessing, and that she said I made the Afghan behind the heart a couple of years ago. She says for everyone to enjoy the rest of the week, try to make a new crochet friend on here, and she says I know that we are all crochet friends, but pick someone or two that shares other things with you as well and get to know them better. She says, I have two, and we thoroughly enjoy sharing with each other. I'm so thankful for them both. Wow, that is such really good advice, and thank you so much for sharing that Red Heart Super Saver projects that you've got going. They are beautiful. Okay, here we have Natalie's, and wow, I see on the left the pillow from the Crochet Granny Square pillow tutorial and pattern that I just recently put out. It is beautiful. So let's see, the pumpkin, she says that it is crochet with the Mary Maxim Starlet yarn and an H hook. She said it was part of a kit called the Jack in the Hat. And then the second project is from another kit called Sunflower Table Topper using Village Yarn Craft cotton and a G hook. Wow, they are both so beautiful, and I just love the colors of your pillow. Thanks for sharing, Natalie. Okay, here we have Patsy's. Now, Patsy says that she's making progress on the V-stitch blanket in teal colors. She's having fun making pot holders in the thermal stitch. And she says that Doreen told her about this stitch, and she's loving it. The yarn is Big Twist Favorite Cotton in the color Wildflower Bouquet. The basket is being made with scrap yarns, and the pattern is Crochet Basket Tutorial by Pamela's Adoring Crochet on YouTube. And they are beautiful, and I love the bright colors of your basket. Great job, Patsy. Now here we have JJ's, and she says that she is working on the Crochet Ripple Baby Blanket by Creative Grandma, Burnett Softy Baby Loops and Threads Snuggly Wuggly Yarns, and a 4.0 millimeter crochet hooks. And she says thanks and blessings. And it is just beautiful. I just love all those pretty baby colors. How sweet. Okay, here we have Michelle's, and Michelle, this is going to be beautiful. She says that she's working on a beaded blanket, and she learned to do this by watching a few YouTube videos. She said Kristen Crochets is being one of them. She used Red Heart Metallic and Super Saver yarn. And wow, that is just beautiful. Thank you so much, Michelle, for sharing that with us. I have never worked with beads in my crochet projects as of today. Okay, now we have my sister Tanya, and she says that she made this beautiful afghan for her living room and that she loves it. She says she used a J hook, and it's the corner to corner stitch. She said it's Big Twist, chocolate brown, and she says, and I love this yarn, Sea Stone. The total rows is 130. Now on to the next project. And by the way, she has allowed me to go ahead and type this pattern up and put this in my Etsy shop. So I will be doing that for you guys. I hope you love it. I think it is just beautiful. And thank you, Tanya, so much for sharing that with us. Okay, here we have Susanna's, and I'm very proud of this because this is one of my patterns, and to see it on the younger generation really makes me feel good. She said that this is her granddaughter wearing the top that she made using my pattern, the Summer Top Tutorial, and she used it in the shawl and the ball. She said that she can't remember the name, but it's she used a 4mm crochet hook. She's using it as a bathing suit cover up, and she said she made the back a little longer so that it goes down over her rump. And it is just beautiful. Thank you, Susanna, so much for sharing that with us. Now here we have Diane's. Diane, thank you so much for sharing this with us. I love those colors. This is from my market bag tutorial, and yours turned out beautiful. Thank you so much, Diane, for sharing that, and I'll leave the link below in the description box. Thank you so much for sharing this with us. Now here we have Kathleen's, and wow, those are so pretty, Kathleen. She says that she's getting a start on fall with crochet flower power dishcloths made from cotton, free pattern by Donnie Spiegel, and knitted ball band dishcloth, also cotton, from the Mason-Dixon knitting book by Gay Gardner and Anne Shane. Wow, those are just beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing those, Kathleen. All right, guys, they are just beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing. I appreciate that, and my viewers appreciate that, because you guys are giving us ideas, and it's just lovely. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and read from our little By Still Waters book. So today it's called 101 Smiles. Now therefore, fear the Lord, serve him in sincerity and in truth. That's Joshua 24:14. Humans are capable of the most welcome smiles, as warm and wonderful as creamy Irish butter melting on a biscuit right out of the oven. Ah, yes. But humans are capable of other kinds of smiles too. There is the loaded smile that reminds you that the person hasn't quite forgiven the past mistakes yet. There is the smile that says, I'm laughing at you a bit more than with you. There is a smile that is full of shadowy mischief, spite, aloofness, or ill will. There is the overly bright, gridded version that has more to do with obligation than sincerity. These are the kinds of smiles that make our spirits cringe instead of sigh with delight. What kind of smile do people see on our faces when we approach? We can choose any one we want from our bag of 101 smiles. It's our choice every day, every moment. I want to please you, Jesus, with all my life, from what I ponder in my heart to the smile on my face. Let my light shine before men, and let my smile be full of sincerity. May it bring peace and joy to all those who cross my path. Amen. Wow, I love that. That is definitely my prayer. I want to be a light to people. I do. I want my light to shine. I want Jesus to shine through me. So I love this, 101 smiles. Wow, that is just beautiful. Well, guys, I hope you can think about that and work on your 101 smiles, and pick out the smiles that are sincere from your heart. All right, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to keep crocheting, live life, and have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.